Welcome to our guide on fixing Gmail when videos aren't showing on your PC after the latest update. It can be frustrating when you can't view those important videos, but don't worry. We've got you covered with some simple steps to get everything back on track. First, let's try the easiest solution. Close your browser completely and then reopen it. This can often resolve temporary glitches that might be preventing videos from displaying correctly. If that doesn't work, it's possible the video file didn't send properly. Ask the person who sent you the video to resend it. There might have been an issue during the initial sending process. Next, refresh the Gmail web page. Look for the refresh icon, usually located at the top left of your browser, and click it. This will reload the page and might fix any loading errors that are preventing the video from appearing. Now, let's check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can definitely cause problems with videos. Go to the notifications area on your computer and click the network icon. Make sure you're connected to your usual network and that everything is working properly. If you're using a VPN or proxy, consider disabling them temporarily, as these can sometimes interfere with Gmail's functionality. If the internet connection is not the problem, it may be time to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Click on the three dots at the top right of your browser to open the settings menu. Then find the option to delete browsing data. In the new tab that opens, make sure all the options are checked and set the time range to all time. Then, click on Delete Data. Keep in mind that while this might solve the problem, it will also remove any saved settings for websites you visited, so you may need to log in again. Still no luck? Sometimes, simply restarting your device can work wonders. Press the Windows icon, click on the power icon, and then click Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn your computer back on by pressing the power button. If you've tried all these steps and videos still aren't showing, don't hesitate to contact Gmail support for further assistance. They can provide specific troubleshooting steps tailored to your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of videos not showing in your Gmail on your PC and get back to enjoying a seamless email experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.